Hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, today I will show you Spotify keep crashing on iPhone after iOS 14 updates. Lot of iPhone and iPad user report to Spotify keep crashing after iOS 14 updates. So how to solve these problems? So guys, I give you some tips and tricks about Spotify keep crashing. So guys, first of all, open control center and Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad. So first of all, open Spotify app in your iPhone and iPad. Then you can see also sometime after automatically crashing app in my iPhone and iPad. So how to solve these problems in my iPhone and iPad? So guys, the first solution is reset network settings in your iPhone and iPad. So first of all, open settings, then scroll down and tap on general, then scroll down and tap on reset. In reset you can see also reset network settings, then enter your passcode and reset network setting in your iPhone and iPad. The second solution is reset all settings in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all, open settings, then scroll down and tap on general, then scroll down and tap on reset. In reset you can see also reset all settings in your iPhone and iPad. So enter your passcode and tap on reset all settings. So easy to solve your problems. The third solution is turn on and off your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all, open settings, then scroll down and tap on general, then scroll down and select shutdown option. In shutdown you can see also slide to power off. After 30 to 20 second wait, after again turn on your iPhone and iPad. Easy to solve your problems. The last solution is delete Spotify app, then again reinstall Spotify app in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all, find out Spotify app and delete Spotify, then again open App Store. In top corner you can see also search Spotify app, then you can see also Spotify app. So again download in your iPhone and iPad. So Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad. Then sometime wait, after again Spotify app download, then you can see also your crashing problem solved 100%. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share.